are going to learn how to use the concat function in SQL Server. So that allows us to combine two or more string. This function is extremely helpful when you are working with text or need to display in a specific format, such as combining the first and last name, or adding text label, or formatting any output. One business use case is combining address line 1, address line 2, city, state, country, postal code, and create a full address field. So concat is a great alternative to the older plus operator for string concatenation. Let's see in this query. So here I am creating one field called full name, combining first name and last name column. So the same thing I can do using the concat function. So there is no as such difference in this output. One I am using plus operator, another I am using concat function. Now the question is, why should I use concat function instead of plus operator? The answer is the null value handling capability of concat function, which plus operator cannot do. So one of the best features of concat function is it handles null value automatically. If any of the fields values in the parameter of concat function is null, SQL Server treat them as empty string, but plus operator will raise an error. So let's see in this query. In this query, we have created two full name column, one using the concat function, another using the plus operator. I am using first name, middle name, and last name. You see, for the first row, everything is correct with plus operator and concat function. But in the second row, you see for full name column, where I'm using plus operator, it is null. But in concat function, it is perfectly returning the values. This is because of the mname value, which is null in second row. So concat can handle the null, but plus cannot handle the null. Now another advantage of concat function is it works with many different data types. You can use number, date, or even null. SQL Server will handle this will handle the conversion for you. In this example, ename is a varchar column. In this example, you see ename is a varchar column and hiredate is a date column. Now what I am trying to do is I am combining these two columns using the plus operator. These two are different data types, right? So when I run this query, it raises an error. So the error message says that plus operator cannot work with two different data types. But this is the advantage of concat function. When I am using the concat function and doing the same method for generating where output text. So how it looks. You see, is employee name and hire date, two different data types, and it perfectly return my desired output. So to summarize the concat function in SQL Server, it's an efficient and user-friendly way to combine string. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.